Hello, friends. How are you? New day, new topic. I am again here with one new topic. So, today's topic is spoken English, that is, English speaking. How to speak English and that too fluently. We generally read English, write English, even we can understand English, but as far as English speaking is concerned, we somewhat hesitate. Why? Why we are not able to speak English as fluently as Gujarati? The reason is very clear, because Gujarati is our mother tongue and English is a foreign language, and that is why we can't speak English as fluently as Gujarati. However, it is very important to know English and to speak in English, because English is an official language. Though it is not our national language, it is official language and used in administrative offices and administrative correspondence and all. And it is an international language. So if we go out of India, then it is the medium of communication, and through English language we can talk to others. Then comes why we are not able to speak English. Another reasons are fear. Sometimes we have fear that we will make mistake. Sometimes we think that other people will judge us. Sometimes we want to speak, we know the words, it is in our mind, but they can't come out. This happens because we usually don't use English and don't practice English. So how can we overcome these issues? We can overcome these issues only by starting talking in English, by practicing it in routine. Then and then we can learn English. So start speaking English just as I am doing. Then you will definitely see the results. Don't hesitate. It may happen sometimes you may stuck up, you may hesitate to speak, sometimes you won't find words, but over the period it will definitely improve. Generally, if you want to learn any language, then we have to observe certain things. First thing, we have to listen carefully. So develop habit of listening. If you listen carefully, then you will observe the grammar rules and how language is structured. Then you have practice of reading books. You can read newspapers too, watch English movies, watch English news. This will help you to enrich your vocabulary and will also help improve your grammar. So, and one thing you must note, that this is not an overnight process. So it will take time, but through hard work and continuous practice you will definitely learn it. And if you learn and if you know English speaking, then it will be very much beneficial to you. Sometimes we want to teach or help our kids who are studying in English medium. It is useful there also. If we are in business or profession, sometimes we have to talk foreign customers or foreign clients. It may be useful there also. Very important thing is many studies and research papers are in English only. So if you know English, then it will be very much useful for you to refer these study materials. So the message is loud and clear. You have to learn English if you want to grow drastically and if you want to reach at higher position. So this is what the message was which I wanted to convey you, and I am also practicing this to improve my English, and I hope you find this video useful and you will also try. Unless you try, you can't speak English. Like swimming, if you read 100 books of swimming, then can you learn swimming? No. Same is the case for English. If you read English, if you listen English, but you never speak English, then you will never learn English speaking. So if you want to speak English, you have to speak English. So start. It's never late, and I assure you, by continuous practice, you will definitely learn English speaking. Thank you very much.